Let's celebrate the Diwali with Halkovasweet. It's a nice recipe, and all of happy Diwali. Thank you so much for supporting me. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I am making one of the best recipe for this Diwali, and for our subscribers and viewers, happy Diwali. Let's celebrate with the crackers. Today I reached the 7,000 minutes played milestone, plus 125 subscribers plus, and finally 50 videos uploaded milestone. And thanks for your supporting. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Let's celebrate this Diwali with Halkovasweet. Let's check the recipe how I am making. All-purpose flour 100 grams, sugar 200 grams, ghee 60 grams. This is the recipe for Halkovasweet. First take the vessel and pour ghee. The ghee is heated. Next add the flour. And cook it nicely. Let it make it brown color. You can see the lumps. Little bit color changed, and cook it for 5 minutes. One more. Now shift into the another plate and keep aside. Then next add the sugar and melt it. Next add the sugar. 1 cup of sugar, add half cup of water and melt it. Melt the sugar in low flame. It will get the correct consistency. Make one thick consistency. Then add the flour and mix it nicely. It is melted well. Now add the roasted flour and mix it nicely without any lumps. Whisk it until it will get to the closer thick batter. Next add little bit ghee again, and same method. You can see now it's not sticking to the pan. It's done. Switch off the flame. Then take the batter into this, coated with ghee or oil. and set it in the batter. The Halkova is ready and I set it into this tray with a greased tray and cool it for 15 minutes and demold it and cut into small pieces how you like. Keep it in a side. After chilling for 15 minutes, now I am demolding this product. Demold it. It's a very spongy, like a very soft, and cut into how you like. Cut slowly. It will break the sweet easily. Like this, slowly. It's looking like the same kalakand also, and taste also it's same. Cut into small pieces how you like. I am cutting into square pieces at same size. Cut the wedges. You can make it garnish with pista, and this tastes also very nice. For this recipe, I got a total 10 small pieces of sweet and wastage this much only. You can see in kirana shops also the sweets. Halkova. Wow, it's looking nice. It's same taste like in Kalakand, but it's an Halkovasweet. And I'm getting an ghee texture and milky flavor with the help of ghee. And thank you so much for watching.